In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create splits and random samples on lists within your Hubspot account. To begin, navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is where you'll start our journey toward mastering list management. Landing on the homepage, you'll find yourself ready to log in. Clicking login prompts you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and do that to access your account. Once logged in, you're on the Hubspot home screen, your central hub for all things related to customer relationship management. Here, your next task is to click on CRM. It's nestled in the menu, acting as a gateway to your customer and contact management tools. Clicking it opens up an array of resources designed to help you manage and interact with your contacts efficiently. Now, locate and click on Lists. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of segmentation and management of your contact data. With lists, you can organize contacts into meaningful groups, making it easier to target and communicate effectively with different segments of your audience. In the Lists section, direct your attention to the More option. This feature gives you access to additional functionalities that enhance your list management experience. Clicking More reveals a drop-down with various options. Among these options, you'll find Split List. This is a powerful tool that allows you to divide your existing lists into smaller, more manageable segments. It's useful for running experiments or targeting specific segments within a larger audience base. After selecting Split List, an upgrade option appears, prompting you to upgrade to Marketing Hub Enterprise. Upgrading provides access to more advanced features for managing and dissecting lists, including more sophisticated segmentation and sampling techniques. If this is a feature you would find beneficial, considering the upgrade might be worthwhile. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to initiate splits and random samples within your Hubspot lists. This approach allows for better management and targeted communication with your contacts by segmenting them in ways most relevant to your business objectives. Remember, efficiently managing your list is crucial for successful marketing campaigns and improved customer relationships. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering HubSpot and enhancing your business processes.